In this video, we are taking a quick day trip to Tennessee's most visited state park and quite frankly one of the best state parks in the country. Located just an hour from Chattanooga, we're spending the afternoon exploring the amazing Ball Creek Falls State Park. We don't have a ton of time in the park today, so we won't go on any long hikes, but that is the great thing about this place is that there are amazing and easy to access sites around every corner. I've been wanting to try the restaurant in the new lodge, but this day they had a special brunch buffet that was $35 per person, so not exactly the price point I was looking for, but maybe I can return one day when they have their normal menu. So instead, we are going to try the Snack and Bar Grill, which actually had quite a selection with decent prices. For example, this pizza was about $12 or so, and you could get as many toppings as you wanted with no additional cost. Let's also check out some of the other park amenities in this area. There's a really well-stocked camp store, and there's also a separate gift and souvenir shop. They really have everything here.
They do.
Let's go into the visitor center. Oh, thank you. There's not really a ton here, but it's a good place to get some general park info. It's just like a little store, I guess. We're now on the main falls overlook. This is definitely the most famous view in the park. From here, you can also hike down to the base of the falls. It's actually a short hike, but it can get a little steep and rocky in some places. We won't be going down there today, but I'll link a video where I did go down there. Heading towards the other side of the park, you can see that there are plenty of great picnic and swimming areas. One stop that you should not miss is over by the Nature Center, which is where we are now. Looks really nice in the fall and winter. Little waterfalls. Behind the Nature Center is a really nice walking suspension bridge. It can definitely feel wobbly when there are a lot of people on it. Oh my gosh. This makes me think of Shrek. Also behind the Nature Center is a long set of stairs. Don't skip this either. My shoe's untied again.
Tie them?
Yeah, I will.
Tie them.
Oh, Archie dragged me down this thing.
Oh, yeah.
And it was icy.
You want to keep going to the bottom?
Yep. It's a little ways down, but at the end, you are at the base of the big falls that you walked over on the bridge. The falls are very full today because there had been quite a bit of rain on the previous few days. As you can see, this is another good place to stick your feet in the water. Although I don't recommend going for much of a swim here because just a little bit downstream is a large fall that we had just seen on the overlook. And now let's wrap up the visit by checking out the nature center.
I don't know. You will?